Here's a clip by British stand-up artist Eddie Izzard, in which he compares British and American accents and makes a comment about spelling.
You say basil, we say basil, and you say herbs, and we say herbs, because there's a fucking H in it. But you spell through, T-H-R-U, and I'm with you on that, because we spell it thruff. And that's trying to cheat at Scrabble. How can we get that ooh sound? Well, a U will work. What about an O as well? No, we don't need it, we're fine. No, I think an O in. Well, all right. And a G as well. What? Yes, a G would be good. Yes, yes, we need a silent G just in the background, in case of any accidents or something. Well, all right. And an H as well. Fucking hell, hang on. An H in case some herbs come along. All right. And a Q, and a P, and a Z. Look, it's a word in Scrabble that's 480 points.
That's exactly the problem we have while learning English pronunciation. The lack of correspondence between speech and writing. As an example, the English represent the word be using these two letters, or graphemes. The underlying graphemes represent the E sound, be, dream, seen, receive, believe. E is an example of a speech sound, or phoneme. So in these examples, there's little correspondence between speech and writing, or phonemes and graphemes. Humans started speaking first and they only developed writing later on. Writing always lags behind speech, so today, in some words, to represent one phoneme, we use more than one grapheme. And that's quite unpredictable. E in be, EA in dream, EE in seen, IE in believe, EI in receive. We need a system that represents speech more accurately than writing. What we can do is to transcribe speech, that is to put it into written form as it really sounds. Problem is, there are different transcription types. Here's one from dictionary.com and one from a Polish dictionary that I found online. This shows you can't simply write how a word is pronounced in your own language. That first version is useful only to an English person. That second version is useful only to a Polish person. And we need a universal system. This is why the International Phonetic Association created the International Phonetic Alphabet. The IPA aims to provide a separate symbol for every sound used distinctively in a human language. There are about 5,000 to 8,000 languages, but only 200 to 300 sounds. So using IPA symbols, we should be able to represent the pronunciation of any word or phrase in any human language. There's no stock alphabet for each language. The alphabet is universal, so we can use it to represent any pronunciation of any word or phrase in any known language. These consonants look the same in the IPA and in writing, and these consonants look different in the IPA and in writing. Don't worry, we're going to cover each sound soon. For now, learn which sound each symbol corresponds to and how to write them. For vowels, apart from the IPA symbols, we use vowel keywords. These are called Wells's keywords because it was Professor J.C. Wells who came up with this idea. Keywords are just a convenient way of referring to English vowel phonemes. There are also a couple of other reasons behind using these. We'll discuss them in the future. So, transcribed, the word diarrhea would look like this.